Hi, welcome to Zander The Science Kid. I'm going to be cracking open some geodes, two geodes, and I guess you noticed that I have a hammer in my hand. That's the only way to crack open a geode. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more awesome Zander The Science Kid videos.
Zander the Science Kid.
So I'm going to be grabbing my kit now, but this kit is only 8 or older, but I have supervision by parents or adult. So let's get ready to rock. Get it? Because that's actually a rock, and here's a rock on the outside. Let's open it. Wow! Kind of hard to get out. Got it out. Wow! Look at that. Ooh. Here are the menus. Here are the instructions. Always remember to read your instructions.
Read your instructions.
Follow them carefully. Let's see what's in this kit. We got 2 geodes. Geodes are really fragile.
Zander meant to
They
say
could also
really
break
hard.
tile. Did you know that? We only have 2. This is one of them, and then this is the last one. And there is safety glasses, a stand, and then a magnifying glass. Here is our goggles. I'm just gonna wear them right now. Safety first.
Always be careful. Safety first.
Okay, so I got my goggles on. Okay, I'm gonna be opening this for the magnifying glass and the stand. So this is the stand. I'm gonna put it right here. You can stand your rock up there, your geode, and the magnifying glass so you can see. Okay, let's get ready. Let me just put the bags. Okay. So this is the only thing you have to do. Smash them. You're gonna need a hammer for this. There's no hammer for you. 3, 2, 1. What? Be careful with your fingers. Make sure to not smash your fingers. These are some tough rocks. I'm just going to do this one. Let me try to do.
Ouch!
These are hard rocks. Oh, it's starting to crack open. Yeah. Oh, I start to see some diamond. I see some crystals. Yeah, yeah, yeah. These are some hard geodes. Limestone. Yeah. Yeah. It's gonna take a while, but we'll get these open. Wow. I see some geode parts.
Ouch! My eye.
These geodes are solid as a rock. Can't wait to see what's inside. Stand back! Whoops. Looks like I dropped my robot. I'm trying to get sweaty. This is a lot of work. This rock is as rolly as a pulley. Get it, rolly pulley? Oh my god. Remember, never give up.
Never give up.
Oh, I chipped the chip off. done with it, this is what it should look like inside. So I'm gonna take a peek inside. Looks pretty. I'm gonna do it a tiny little bit more. And then I'm gonna do this one. This is tougher than I thought. This is what it looks like inside. So I'm gonna try to do it outside in the back, so I'll be right back. I broke it in half. Whoa! It looks so cool inside. Hey, watch this.
Do not try this at home. Zander is only pretending to break the geode with his hands. Do not try this at home. Zander is only pretending to break the geode with his head.
It looks like diamonds inside, but they're actually crystals. I'm gonna look in it through the magnifying glass. Oops. I got it. Now I'm gonna take out my goggles, set them aside, and see what. Wow, it looks so cool. What happens if I break it? It might, the crystal might fall out. But wow, it looks so cool. Looks like salt. That looks so cool. It was kind of hard to break open the geode, but never give up when you have something hard to do. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe on more awesome Zander the Science Kid videos. Bye.
Zander the Science